Yes, good evening, everyone. Yes, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Today we need to start question number 9, isn't it? So, in question number 9, which of the following rational number is smaller? Minus 5 by 8 or 3 by minus 8. Okay, what is clear? So, now when you will compare, you need to make the numerator positive, isn't denominator positive. Now, you will cross multiply 5 in minus 5 into 8 is 5 into 8 is 40, minus plus is minus. Okay, and then 8 into minus 3 is minus 24. What can I write? Since minus 40 is less than minus 24, therefore this will be smaller. Minus 5 by 8 is less than 3 by minus 8. Got it right? Yes, Raktim, good evening. Any doubt here? Board is clear for everyone? File written? Okay. Let's see number 2. 8 by 17 or minus 9 by minus 7. So it can be written as 8 by 17 and minus 9 by minus 17. Minus minus got reduced. So it will be 8 by 17 and it will be 9 by 17. So I can write, since now both are positive, have the same denominator. So there is no need of cross multiplying it. Okay. Directly it can be saved. So since 8 by 17 is less than 9 by 17, therefore it can be written as 8 by 17 is smaller. Okay. Written. Let's see number 3 then. Minus 19, 19 by minus 5 or plus 1. So we know positive rational number is greater than every negative number, isn't it? So we know a negative rational number, we write a negative rational number is always smaller than a positive rational number. A negative rational number is always smaller than a positive rational number. Therefore, I can write minus 9 by 5 is smaller, isn't it? Minus 9 by 5 is small, negative, and 1 is positive. So, minus 9 by 5 will be smaller. Got it? Written? Okay. Let's see number 4. Minus 11 by 1111 or 1 by minus 103. Minus 1 by 1111, 1111, and here denominator should not be negative while comparing. So I have taken minus with the numerator. Got it, all of you? So here now cross multiply minus 11 into 103 and 1111 into minus 1. It will give you minus 1111, and here it will give you 103, 103. So it will give you 1133, and plus minus minus 1133. So which is greater? Obviously this is smaller and this is greater. Since minus 1133 is less than minus 1111, therefore I can say minus 11 by 1111 is smaller. Got it, all of you? Any doubt? Written? Okay, just a second. Let me fill in. Okay, let's move to number 10 then. Number 10 is same as number 9 and 8. Now this is 5 by 4 dash 1. Okay, we need to compare 5 by 4 and 1. If there is no denominator, then means what is the denominator? যদি denominator equal হয় তাহলে কি হবে? 1 হবে। Okay, So now cross multiply. 5 into 1 is 5. 4 into 1 is 4. So I can write since 5 is greater than 4, therefore 5 by 4 is greater than 1. Got it? Let us see number 2. These are same, okay? All the questions in number 1, no sorry, number 8, 9 and 10 are same only, okay? Then number 2, minus 1 by 2, it will give this dash minus 3 by 5. So for comparison, denominator should be positive. So minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 5. Now what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Since minus 5 is greater than minus 6, therefore minus 1 by 2 is greater than minus 3 by 5. Okay, here it is written. Any doubt written? Just two questions. Got it, all of you? Okay. Minus 3 by 4 dash minus 2 by 3. We need to compare these two numbers. Okay. So minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 3. So minus 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is 9 plus minus minus, 4 into minus 2, 4 into 2 is 8 plus minus minus. So I can say since minus 9 is smaller than minus 8, minus of number will have great into freeze values are more, that will be greater. So minus 8 is greater and minus 9 is smaller. Therefore, what it will be? Minus of 3 by 4 is less than minus of 2 by 3. Okay. Any doubt? Let's see number 4 then. Minus of 2 3 by 7 dash minus 2 3 by 5. 7 into 2 is 14, 14 and 3 17, minus 17 by 7, and here 10 and 3 13, minus 3 13 by 5. Okay, so 7 8 times 7 5 times 35, carry 3, 8 into 5 into 1 is 5, 5 and 3 8, minus 85, and it will be minus 91, because 13 into 7 is 91 plus minus minus. So you can see minus 85 will be greater than minus 91. Okay, therefore what it can be said, minus 2 3 by 7 is greater than minus 2 3 by 5. So this will be greater. Got it, all of you? Please note it down. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Written file. Okay. Let's move to number 11. Arrange in order from list to greatest. Okay. You have to arrange from list to greatest মানে সৰু পৰা ডাঙৰত arrange কৰিব লাগে. Let us see number 1. The rational numbers are 1 by 3, okay, 3 by 7 and 2 by 5. So denominator are 3, 7 and 5. So first of all, we will find the LCM of the denominator. We should make the denominator positive. Here in the question, the denominators are already positive, so you don't have to work on that. Okay. So now 3, 7 and 5. There is no common factor among 3, 5 and 7. So the at our common factor is 9. So LCM can होगा 3 into 7 into 5. Okay, it will be 105 because 3 into 7 is 21. 21 into 5 is 105. Now you have to make all the denominator same. 3 लोग की multiply करेगा 3 बाद दी दिया. 7 into 5 is 35. So you have to multiply 35 and 1 into 35. 7 of बाद दिया 3 into 5 is 15. So you have to multiply 15. Okay. Similarly 5 बाद दिया 3 into 7 is 21. So you have to multiply 21 with 5. Okay. Okay. This is now this all the fractions are equivalent fractions. So now we can compare it directly. Since 35 by 100 is less than 42 by 105 is less than 45 by 105. Therefore, this denotes 35 by 105 denotes whom? 1 by 3. Already the question says that you have to arrange it in from least to greatest. Least to greatest means what? Which order? Ascending order. So we'll write therefore in ascending order. In ascending order it will be 1 by 3 is less than 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 7. Got it right all of you? Written? File and others. Did you get it? Okay. Let's move to number 2 then. Question number 2 is minus 9 by 6 comma minus 4 by 3 comma minus 17 by 12. So denominators are 6, 3 and 12. So LCM will be found out for 6, 3 and 12. Now which is the greatest among all? 12 is the greatest number. 6 or table of 12 ahead, 3 or 3 table of 12 ahead. So the least common multiple LCM least common multiple will be what? 12 itself. Because सबके गुरु numbers into 6 or table of 12 or table 3 table of that is 12 only. and 12 निजोर टेबल तो है. So LCM is 12. Now denominator should, all the denominators should be converted into 12. So into 2 into 2. Did you get the trick? You don't have to calculate by finding the factorization directly. যেতিয়া সৰু number হ'ব তোমালোকে orally calculate কৰিব মই যেনেকৈ শিকাইছো. Okay, so next is minus 4 by 3. 3 into 4, so minus 4 into 4. Minus 17 by 12. 12 ৰ লগত কি multiply কৰিবা? 1 কৰিলে কৰিব পাৰা, নকৰিলেও একো problem নাই. Good evening, Shankha. Minus 8 by 12, minus 18 by 12, minus 16 by 12, comma, minus 17 by 12. So you have to range from least to greatest. So minus of ডাঙৰ number to সৰু হয়, so minus 18 by, so we'll write since minus 18 by 12 is smaller than minus 17 by 12 is smaller than minus 16 by 12. So in ascending order, that is from smaller to greater, minus 18 by 12 का denote करे minus 9 by 6. It denotes minus 9 by 6, and minus 17 by 12 resembles minus 17 by 12 only, and minus 16 by 12 resembles minus 4 by 3 in the question. So this is the arrangement. Got it right, all of you? Okay. Okay. Let's see number 3 then. Minus 3 by 5, 7 by minus 10, and minus 5 by 6. So first of all, you have to make the denominator positive. Minus 7 by 10, minus 5 by 6. So it will be minus 5 by 6. So we will find the LCM of both 5, 10 and 6. Among 5, 6 and 10, 10 is the largest number. Okay. Minus 7 by yes, minus 10 was minus in the question denominator is negative. So before finding the LCM, we have to no, in the question it is 7 by, while you have seen question number 12. Okay, this is we are doing number 11's number 3. So LCM, to find LCM, what is the largest number here? Largest number is 10. 5 or table of 10 na hai, but 6 or table of 10 na hai. So next multiple of 10 is 20. In the table of 5 you can see 20, but in the table of 6 20 doesn't appear, so LCM won't be 20. Next multiple is 30. In the table of 5 30 appears 6 times, in the table of 6 30 appears 5 times, or 10 or table of 30 3 times. So least common multiple will be 30 only. Did you get all of you? Did you get all of you? How I am finding the LCM using orally? How I am calculating the LCM? Is there any doubt in that? তোমালোকে ডাঙৰ নম্বৰৰ মাল্টিপল টু চাই ল'বা, যদি মাল্টিপল এই বাকিকেইটা নম্বৰৰ টেবলত আহে তেতিয়া LCM টো সেইটোৱে হ'ব. Got it all of you? So which is equal to 30. So now minus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 10 into 6 into 6, 10 into 3, so minus 7 into 3, 6 into 5, so minus 5 into 5. 18 by 30 minus 21 by 30 minus 25 by 30. So, Sobakyo minus 25 by 30 is less than minus 21 by 30 is less than minus 18 by 30. Therefore, in ascending order, minus 25 by 30 resembles minus 5 by 6. Minus 21 by 30 resembles 7 by minus 10. And minus 18 by 30 resembles minus 5 by minus 3 by 5. Got it, all of you? Written file. Okay. So this is the question. Again. So here you can see all are positive. LCM of 4, 8, 16, and 16. Which is the greatest number? 16. In the table of 4, you can see 16 4 times. In the table of 8, 2 times. In the table of 16, 1 times. In the table of 16, 1 time. So LCM will be 16 only. So LCM is equal to 16. Now all the denominators should be converted into 16. Yes, while correct. So 3 by 4, 4 into 4, so 3 into 4, 8 into 2, so 11 into 2, 16 into 1, so 9 into 1, 33 by 16 into 1, so into 1. 12 by 16. Just a second, okay? I will be doing it. बाबू, आज हम वॉलेट नहीं लाया, ठीक है ना? So yes, Raktim. So it will be 22 by 16, 9 by 16, and 33 by 16. Now we will arrange them in order. Okay. So since 33 by 16 is greatest of all, then when comes 22 by 16, then comes 12 by 16, then comes 9 by 16. So in descending order, it will be 33 by 16, and 22 by 16 resembles whom? 11 by 8. Then 12 by 16 resembles whom? 3 by 4. And 9 by 16 resembles 9 by 16 only. So this is your answer. Got it, all of you? Okay. Let's move to number 2 then. Question number 2, see, the question is 1 by 7. Okay, then minus 1 by 3, comma, minus 2 by 8. Okay, so all the denominator are positive, so we will find LCM of 7, 3 and 8. Greatest number is 8. Okay, 3 table of 8 na hai, 7 table of 8 na hai. Okay, and these all are co-prime numbers. Are right? Kunu these three numbers won't be seen in the same table, isn't it? I mean 8, 3 or 7 eta number table comes no. Okay, so we will find the LCM. Can I find 7, 3 and 8? Will it appear in the same table? No. So directly what we have to do? We have to multiply 7 into 3 into 8. So 21 into 8 korele tumalke baba 168. So LCM is 168. So now first rational number is 1 by 7. 7 of baad dile, 8 into 3 is 24. So you have to multiply what? 24. So 1 is also multiplied with 24. Next denominator is 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 baad dile, 7 8 times 56. So minus 1 into 56. 8 baad dile, 7 into 3. Now we will arrange in ascending order. That means we will, which is the greatest one? Obviously 24 by 168. Since 24 by 168 is greatest, then minus 42 by 168, then minus 56 by 168. So in descending order, 24 by 68 resembles whom? 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is greater. Then minus 42 by 68 resembles whom? Minus 2 by 8. Then 42 by minus 56 by 68 resembles minus 1 by 3. This is the arrangement. Got it right, all of you? Any doubt? Okay. Let's see number 3 then. 3 by minus 5, minus 7 by 10, 8 by minus 10, and minus 17 by 15. Okay. So let us make the denominator positive. 5 was denominator is negative, so minus 2 हमें ऊपर लिख लो. Minus 7 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 17 by 15. Okay. So we will find the LCM of 5, 10, 10, and 15. Greatest is 15. In the table of 5, 15 is seen 3 times, but 10 or table of 15 nahe. 15 or next multiple is 30. 5 6 times, 10 3 times, 15 2 times. So LCM will be what? 30. Now all the denominator should be equal to 30. So 5 into 6 minus 6 into 6. 10 into 3 minus 7 into 3. 10 into 3 minus 8 into 3. 15 into 2. Okay. So minus 17 into 2. Got it? So it will be equal to minus 18 by 30, minus 21 by 30, minus 24 by 30, minus 34 by 30. Now arrangement will be done. Since which is the greatest one? Minus of sobotke whole number, sobotke ডাঙর. So minus 18 by 30 will be the greatest. যোনটো ডাঙৰ হয় হেফালে ব্র্যাকেটের মুখখন খোলা থাকে. So it is open this side. Next is minus 24 by 30. Next is minus 21 by 30. Sorry. Then next is minus 24 by 30. And then next is minus 34 by 30. Therefore, in descending order, minus 18 by 30 resembles minus 3 by 5. No, 3 by minus 5. Question of जने के दिया था कि वो तने के लिखिएगा. And minus 21 by 30 resembles minus 7 by 10. Then minus 24 by 30 resembles minus 8 by 10. That is 8 by minus 10. Question to मिलाए लोगा. And then minus 17 by 15. This is your answer. Got it, all of you? Any doubt? Is it written? Okay. Let's see MCQ number 13. This will be the last question for today's class. When minus 3 by 6 is written as a rational number with numerator 12, what is the rational number? The rational number is minus 3 by 6, and you need to make the numerator what? 12. The question says that when minus 3 by 6 is written as a numerator 12, what is the denominator? So, I go to Nikki side. Minus 3 into 4 is 12. Minus into minus will make the numerator positive, isn't it? So, minus 3 logo tumak minus 4 multiply kora hol. So that the numerator will be positive 12. So 6 into minus 4. 6 into 4 is 24 plus minus 24. So therefore, what is the denominator? Denominator is equal to minus 24. Answer is option number C, minus 24. Got it? Please note it down. That's all for today. See you on Monday. Thank you, everyone. Written file. Okay, then thank you, everyone. See you on Monday. Okay.